Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but we are also very close friends.
That's right. We want to help you learn English the natural way by listening to real conversations.
If you like our videos, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about something we do every single day. We are talking about your day. So, Bella, let's start at the very beginning. How was your morning today? Did you wake up on the right side of the bed?
The right side of the bed. That is a great idiom. It means to wake up feeling happy. But honestly, Alex, I think I woke up on the wrong side today. I was so sleepy.
Oh no, why? Did you stay up late last night?
I did. I was reading a very good book and I couldn't put it down. So when my alarm clock went off at 7 a.m., I felt like a zombie.
I know that feeling. I am a night owl, so mornings are always hard for me. What was the first thing you did?
Well, I dragged myself out of bed and went straight to the kitchen to make coffee. Without coffee, I cannot speak.
I'm the same. I have a very specific morning routine. First, I drink a big glass of water. Then, I make a very strong espresso.
That sounds healthy. After my coffee, I hopped in the shower. The warm water finally woke me up. Then I had to choose my clothes. That is always the hardest part of my day.
Really? I just picked the first clean shirt I see.
You are lucky, Alex. I spent 10 minutes looking for my favorite blue sweater. Then I realized it was still in the washing machine.
That is a classic morning disaster. Did you have time for breakfast?
Just a quick piece of toast with peanut butter. I ate it while I was putting on my shoes. I was in such a hurry.
So, after the morning madness, how was your commute? Did you take the bus or the train?
I took the bus today. Usually I like to walk, but because I was late, I had to run to the bus stop.
Was the bus crowded?
Oh, it was packed. I had to stand the whole way, but I listened to an English podcast, so I felt like I was being productive.
That is a great tip for our students. Using your dead time to listen to English is a smart move.
Exactly. So tell me about your workday, Alex. How are your classes?
My day was actually very busy. I had 4 classes back to back.
Back to back. That means one after another with no break, right?
Yes. By lunchtime, my throat was very dry from all the talking, but my students were great today. We practiced the past tense, and they told some very funny stories.
That sounds fun. I had a long meeting in the afternoon. Meetings can be a bit boring sometimes, don't you think?
I agree, especially when they could have been a simple email.
So true. I spent 2 hours talking about future goals. By the time the meeting finished, I really needed a snack.
What did you have?
I found a small chocolate bar in my bag. It was like finding hidden treasure. It gave me enough energy to finish my work.
Do you ever feel the afternoon slump, Bella? Around 3 p.m., I always feel like I need a nap.
Every day. We call that the 3 p.m. crash. My brain just stops working.
What do you do to stay awake? Do you drink more coffee?
No, if I drink coffee in the afternoon, I can't sleep at night. I usually stand up and do some stretching, or I go to the break room and talk to a colleague for 5 minutes.
That's a good idea. I usually go for a quick 5-minute walk outside. The fresh air helps clear my head.
Today, I used my afternoon break to call my mom. She always makes me laugh, and that wakes me up more than any coffee.
That's sweet. My afternoon was spent grading papers. I had 30 essays to read.
Oh, wow. Grading is the most difficult part of being a teacher. Did you find any interesting mistakes?
One student wrote that they ate a bicycle for breakfast instead of rode a bicycle.
That must have been a very crunchy breakfast.
I know. I laughed so hard. It made my whole afternoon better. So, work finished at 5 p.m. What did you do when you got home?
The first thing I did was kick off my shoes. Ah, what a great feeling. Then I changed into my loungewear, soft pants and a big t-shirt.
That is the universal signal that the workday is over. Did you cook dinner?
I did. I made a simple pasta with tomato sauce. It's my favorite lazy meal. I listened to some jazz music while I was cooking. It was very relaxing.
I didn't cook today. I was too tired, so I ordered takeout. I had some spicy Thai food.
Yum! Takeout is a nice treat sometimes. After dinner, did you watch any TV?
I watched one episode of a new series on Netflix, but then I felt guilty because I have a lot of books to read.
Don't feel guilty. Sometimes your brain just needs to switch off. I watched some funny videos on YouTube and then I did a bit of journaling.
Journaling is a great way to end the day. Do you write about what happened?
Yes, I write down 3 things I'm grateful for. Today I wrote 1, the chocolate bar I found, 2, my talk with my mom, and 3, this chat with you, Alex.
Now I feel special. I think I will start doing that too. It's a very positive habit.
Alex, we used a lot of day-to-day English today. Let's look at some of the words for our listeners.
Good idea. We said wake up and get up. Remember, everyone, wake up is when you open your eyes, but get up is when you actually leave the bed.
And we used commute. A commute is the journey you make between your home and your work every day.
We also used some fun phrasal verbs like drag myself out of bed, which means to move slowly because you are tired.
And kick off your shoes. It sounds much more relaxed than remove your footwear, doesn't it?
Definitely. Talking about your day is mostly about using the past simple. I went, I had, I saw, I worked.
That's right. If you want to practice your English, try telling a friend about your day every evening. It's the best way to get comfortable with the past tense.
You know, Bella, I'm really glad we have these chats. Sometimes my day is so busy that I forget to just stop and talk to a friend.
Me too, Alex. Even though we're both English teachers, we're also humans who get tired and make mistakes.
Like the time you went to work with 2 different colored socks?
Oh, be quiet. That was a secret. It was dark in my room and I was in a rush. One was black and one was very dark navy blue. No one noticed until you pointed it out.
I couldn't help it. It was too funny. But that is what friends are for, to laugh at your silly mistakes.
Exactly, and to listen to you complain about your 3 p.m. crash.
Speaking of crashes, I think I'm ready for bed. My battery is at 5%.
Me too. I need to go finish that book I was reading last night. Hopefully, I won't stay up until 2 a.m. again.
Please don't, or you'll be a zombie again tomorrow.
Well, I think that is enough talking for one day. My voice is getting tired too.
Agreed. We hope you enjoyed this conversation about our daily lives.
We hope it helps you learn some common phrases and how to use the past tense naturally.
Now it's your turn. How was your day? Did you have a bicycle for breakfast or a normal piece of toast?
Please let us know in the comments. We love reading your stories. It helps us feel like we are all one big family here on Ready Talk.
If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. It really helps the YouTube algorithm find us.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.